What's up guys, it's Rochelle Diamante and I'm doing this intro for the third time. It's gonna be great. So today, I am cooking for you popcorn chicken. And this is because it was a wonderful suggestion from a wonderful person on my Instagram page. And if you haven't been that wonderful person giving me ideas for my next YouTube videos yet, but you wanna be, social media links are in the description below. Message me, comment. This fridge is making a whole bunch of noise, but let's ignore that. When I say popcorn chicken though, I am not talking about the popcorn chicken as in the farm animal chicken. I'm talking about a plant-based popcorn chicken that tastes so good that you would not even notice the difference between real chicken and this meatless alternative chicken. Here we go. Strap yourself in because it's gonna be grand. What's up? Alright, so we have some very simple ingredients here. We got Dixie fry, Quorn brand, that is Q-U-O-R-N, Quorn brand meatless chicken pieces. Then we've got two, not just one, but two huevos. Honestly, only ingredients. I don't have a chef's hat, but I do have a Burger King crown. I don't have an apron. I do have an apron. Wait, this video isn't ready yet. Hold on. How do you put this thing on? Ow. It's on my crown. It's stuck on the crown. Okay. Get your Dixie fry. Pull out the packet. Look at this. Woo. Okay, pour that powder stuff into your bowl. Wait, wasn't I supposed to put this on the plate? Just kidding! Put it on the plate! Do not put it in the bowl. I'm just dumping the whole packet. You really don't need to put the whole packet, but I'm just doing it. This bowl is actually where we're gonna put our eggs. So, some of y'all might whisk eggs with a whisk. I like to use a fork, and that's just because it's there and it's easy. So here we go. Really beat those eggs. Make sure they gotta go to therapy. It's the motion of the whisking. The motion of the ocean. Get the pan. Oh, Jesus. All right. We've got a beautiful red Tefal pan. Frying pan. Don't forget your canola oil. We're just gonna go straight from frozen to the fryer. So let's open this bag. Cutting it open, cutting it open. Hey, let's turn on the stove. Let's put the oil. Then we get to the rest of it. Put in the oil. Put a good amount in there so it coats the whole bottom. All right, let's sift this. Sift your flour. This is my version of sifting. That is way too much, you guys. Don't use the whole packet. Oil's heating. It's feeling hot. Oil's hot. Let's get coating. So simple. Grab your piece of chicken. Look, this is what they look like. They're like little chunks. And we are going to just dip it in the egg. Roll it in the powder. And then we're gonna put it in the oil. Boom. Get another piece, and so on and so forth. Make sure you are keeping an eye on the ones that you put in first. Like this one needs a good flip. So we're gonna flip it over. Wow. I should have put this over a little sooner, but they're looking beautiful. Doesn't matter. They're looking small, dark, and handsome. They actually don't take that long to start browning, so make sure you're keeping your eyes on them. These ain't cute. Let me get a plate. We're gonna have to pop these on a plate. Put a little paper towel on it so it soaks up some of the oil. Oh, wow. Wow. It's gonna leave me better one far away. I hate for you, leaving. Oh boy, it's getting steamy, which means I really gotta turn down the heat. It's getting too hot. Okay. It's like burning. It's happening. Close the God I'm gonna take this moment to say that I have a new single called Who Am I? And if you have not checked it out, well, you're in luck because you're on this page. Feel free to view it. I would love that. Comment on that video. Go check out the Who Am I video. And comment Chef Rochelle Diamante sent you. She'll know what that means. Alright, so it's hour 32. I've burnt the oil and my chicken nuggets are starting to get darker. But I still have faith that this meal can come out a success. Let's see how it goes. Oh god, oh god. These are getting darker. They're getting small too dark and handsome. It's hour 42 in the kitchen. I don't know if I'm gonna survive this one, but we're gonna try. I do it like no one else, and that's probably because everyone else does it right. What goes best with popcorn chicken? French fries. We have French fries, and I'm gonna pull those out of the freezer that is behind this camera that I did not. I didn't plan that ahead of time. So BRB.
You have burnt quite a bit of chicken.
It's gonna taste really good.
I know, it's gonna be delicious.
Alright, fries. We're gonna preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're gonna spread these out on a baking sheet and pop them in there and just slap a timer on it. And they're gonna come out juicy and delicious, or crispy and delicious. Alright. It's really smoky in here. Alright guys, now we got our French fries. So, just pull them out of the oven. We need to make sure they are cooked to that delicious crispiness that you know and love. Oh, it's hot. It's delicious though. That is worth every burn on my taste buds. Those are delicious. I think I actually made these fantastically. Nice and juicy. And burning hot.
There you have it, guys. Meatless popcorn chicken. Here's the popcorn. Here's the fries. Look at this. You would never know that that's not real chicken.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that I had a great time making it. And let me know in the comments what you thought about it. Give me a like. Give me that's the only option I'll give you. And comment below what your favorite meal is, what you're famous for. Subscribe if you haven't yet. I also have a new single called Who Am I? And if you have not gotten a chance to check that out, you're in luck because you're on my page, which it is here in my originals playlist. Go ahead and check out the music video and that new single. It's also available everywhere you listen to music. My song, Who Am I, by Rochelle Diamante, is up on there, so you can check it out. Thank you to the person who suggested this video. It was a lot of fun. And until next time, be cool, y'all. Bye.
Who am I? Forget all the voices giving